it's Jen and Tammy back with another Notion video. We have figured out how to make ironing really fun.
Really fun.
This is brand new, a
This is
limited edition
Yes.
iron that is just so cute.
Isn't this awesome?
It's an Oliso iron. You see us sewing with this.
We do all the
It's
time.
the one that lifts. You've seen
Yep.
it in pink. We have different
Yep.
colors.
Yep.
Mimi G, that's a new name for me.
That is a new name for me as well. She's in the fashion industry.
Okay, that's probably
Yeah,
why, because I'm like,
that's
I know
right.
all the quilters.
She's not in the quilting industry. She's in the fashion industry. Yes.
And so she
Look how cool
has
this is.
partnered with Oliso to make this really fun iron. There's a certain lady I know, she wears a lot of the leopard print.
Yes.
I mean, if there was an iron designed for her, this would
This
be
was it. Yes,
So
this
if
is it.
you like just adding a lot of spunk and fun to your sewing room, or maybe a
Yep.
very generous gift for a friend,
Yes.
or a relative that sews, this could be it.
This is it.
All we know is we were told this is limited edition.
Correct.
I don't know how many more we'll be able to order.
We don't know that.
So if this one you love, get it.
Get it now.
I think
Yep.
the others are
Yep.
going to
Get
keep
it now.
going. The pink
Yep.
and the,
Oh, yeah.
and the yellow.
They're standard.
But this one, they already said limited edition.
Correct.
Talk to us about, we know it's hot, but
Yes.
I love the warranty. I love the safety features.
3-year warranty, Jen.
Awesome.
That's huge.
Well, what
right?
has a 3-year warranty anymore?
I know.
Sometimes it's 30 seconds.
Sometimes not even a vehicle has a 3-year warranty on it,
Yeah.
right? I know. Yeah, 3-year warranty, which is really nice. This iron, 30-minute auto shut off. 30 minutes. That's a long time for a quilter.
It
right?
is, and I know some irons are just 10 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
I no sooner do my patchwork, I come back and my irons
Your
cool
irons
down,
aren't
and it's
off
this
again.
weird, I can't get in sync with
No.
the cycle.
No, because you're constantly pushing the button to turn it back on.
I know there's a safety
It's
feature
frustrating.
if the
There
kids
is.
knock it off.
If one of your kids were to knock this over and it were to fall and be hot on something, 30-second shut off.
I love that. So it's got kind of a tip or
Yes.
a fall feature.
Fall feature, correct. That's important.
Wow. And I
That's
know
important.
when I use this, because I don't usually use steam. However,
Oh yeah.
when I have tried to steam out curtains or a garment,
Yes, it's tough, right?
It is.
This has vertical steam, so you hold it up and you activate the steam. Oh no, there's no water in it. I won't steam you, Jen. No, but the steam feature is right here, and it will steam onto garments or use it like a garment presser. Yes, very nice.
Sure.
The cord rotates. Do you see how this is rotating in here? This is really nice. A lot of irons I have a
Are
fixed
fixed.
cord.
Yeah.
Oh, it's annoying.
it is.
This moves with you, and I love that feature.
It
about
helps
this iron.
reduce tipping because the
Oh,
ones
that's
what
true.
I've tried to move
Yes.
and that cord is fixed and over it goes.
Yes, yes.
Every
This
I don't know.
just-
It just
This is really a nice feature.
I see there is a reservoir.
There is a reservoir. It's easy to fill. It has a little spout that opens up, and you have a little pitcher.
Oh my gosh.
Right
this
there.
is adorable. And even the box is
box is
absolutely, I
amazing.
mean, just every feature about this. Let me just show you the inside of this here.
How cool is that?
Look inside here. And Mimi G, I want to read her message before we kind of finish up. I just think it's really sweet. Mimi G, I hope you're watching. We're telling everybody about your amazing designs. Let me try to get this. You know what? I'm going to leave it open because I
There you
love
go.
the leopard
I
print.
love the leopard print.
I love
on
the leopard
box.
print there.
How cool is that?
I'll just leave it like that. Do you want to read her message? It says, hello, darlings.
Yes. Hello,
Okay.
darlings. Thank you so much for choosing my unique Mimi G Oliso iron. I'm so excited about this amazing collaboration and can't wait to see you using it. Remember what I always say, if you sew a seam, you press a seam.
True.
That's very true. Our sewing machines are our most valuable tool, but our irons are just as important in the process of creating. I hope you enjoy the Mimi G iron and that every time you use it, you know it was designed with makers in mind and produced with so much love.
Aww.
Press on, Mimi G.
I love it.
that.
So
Yep,
cool.
I love
So
it.
if you want to make an investment
Yes.
in a great
Oh, yeah.
iron
This is a
and
nice
have
iron.
fun with the styling of the iron, because so
Yeah.
many times they're very mechanical, like they do
That's
a
right.
job,
That's
but
right.
they don't have a personality, and now
That's
your
right.
iron can have a personality.
Exactly.
So
exactly.
definitely wanted to introduce that to you. And of course, as we find more products, we're always excited to show them to you as we're finding them. It's like a treasure hunt, to
It
be
is a
honest with you.
It is.
So
It is
thanks
a
for
treasure hunt.
showing us that
You're
today.
welcome. I love this iron.
And we look forward to seeing you soon on another Notion video with Tammy and Jen.